all your defenses. My guest list is priceless, and yes, I run a tight ship. Bentleys and Benzes through cash-colored lenses, then dollars and senses. Cha-ching, it's expensive to be made. Looking this good, don't come for free. A bitch, what? That's just who I be. It's expensive to be me.
What denom should I pick? Put a 1 in the chat if you think I should pick the 1 cent denom. Come on. Very good. One more. Wow. It's loud over here.
You gotta keep the old people warm.
Oh my. Come on. Where are my balls? Come on, Nonna. All right, $22. Mask is like falling apart inside of my mouth. I need a new mask. Come on. I see you. Oh, what are you doing here, Firelink? This is ridiculous.
Want to try the other one?
I feel like I'm already invested here.
Okay.
Oh, 3 balls again. Come to the Golden Nugget. Everything's so good here. Come on. There we go. All right, let's get some, I don't even know, something. All right, you keep doing that. One more for the next row. Come on. Up here, we're here, we're there. Right there. It's over, I think. Garbage.
Oh, where else is that?
In the corner over there.
Oh, by those 3 firemen?
Yeah.
Okay. You okay?
Yeah. I mean, that's about average for a $5 bet. Let's see if we can get another one though. Come on, you dirty fucking bitch. Don't the fireballs look like pancakes? I think they do. Damn it. What is this 3 bullshit all the time? You know, 62.50 balls on a $5 bet. What's that, like a little more than a 10x? I mean, you could give them once in a while. Come on. Ay, ay, ay. You were making a bitch work over here. Let's see if we could confuse it. Come on. She's hungry. She don't want to do shit. We'll stop at 100. But I really wanted another one. Come on. So you only get 2 or 3 balls here? Is that what goes on? There's 2. Come on. 2 balls again. 2 balls. 2 balls. It was doing 3 before. All right. Got a bonus, $15 bet. Come on, do it. Yes. Lock it, baby. Come on. Heart. Don't even fucking think about it. Oh my god. Last spin. There we go. Come on, hearts. Boop. Last one. Fucking bastard. Alright. Still got 5 spins left. Free trigger. Nothing. Nothing. Do it. Last spin. Wow. How much is this? $4.95. All right. Don't be the last spin. Oh my god. Horseshit. Alright, don't be mean to me. What the fuck was that? That was all over the place. Again. Come on, do it. Do it. I can't live like this. What the fuck? I don't get them diagonally. Why? What the fuck? Oh my god, garbage. Garbage. Oh, very good. 50 is nice. There we go. How much is that? $159, that's it. 2, very good.